Good morning.
Okay. Good morning.
Kakuli ma'am, we can start when you're ready.
Yes, sir. Okay, okay, please. Okay. So अभी आपने आपको mute कर लिया. Everybody mute yourself. We'll start the program.
Yeah, just a second.
A warm welcome to respected principal sir, assistant headmistress ma'am, all the parents and our little babies to the virtual certificate distribution ceremony of the English solo rhyme competition. Aim Our aim behind organizing this competition was giving students an opportunity of thinking unusually and getting innovative ideas of their own, and also to develop the public speaking skills. Our theme for the competition was health and fitness. When it comes to health and well-being, regular exercise is about as close to magic potion as you can get. Good health is a boon to you and our body. It helps you physically and mentally. Good health can be maintained by doing regular exercise and maintaining a well-balanced diet. It is imperative to eat proper meals at the appropriate time. The key source of being happy is fit and healthy. I congratulate all of you and appreciate all your efforts. Thank you for preparing the children with such creativity and making a passion even in this tough time. Moving on, we'd like to present to you a few glimpses from the competition and show how our young students work so hard. It is very difficult for the judges to select the winners.
Now that I know how food affects me, I will choose foods carefully, carefully. Now that I know how to eat right, I will eat my colors rainbow bright, rainbow bright, rainbow bright. So at last, I'd like to say the way true saying of Lord Buddha Ji that every human being is the author of his own health. Blessed are we, God. Body in the mind. It's our duty to keep them fit and fine. Fit. If you want to stay fit, go for a run. Try to skip a rope. It is so much fun. Don't forget the dancing. This is good for you. Then there is swimming. You should try it too. Healthy boys and healthy girls make a future full of pearls. If you are healthy, you are wise. Otherwise, you cannot know the rise. If you want to be healthy, do exercise. Wake up early, try the bite. Life is a gift. Exercise is the lift. A healthy body will energize. A full life will rise. So take the time to stay fit and enjoy the gift. For there is no other one person to make it last. Live for the future, not the past. Life is a gift. Exercise is the lift. Thank you. Health is wealth. Say you out. Make healthy choices. Be fit and tall. Friends is future. Fast food strong. Eat green vegetables. Have rice brown. Fruits and vegetables are your friends. Disease and body and junk food confront.
will be performing live. Now I call Lavanya Chaudhary, who will explain how fitness is important. So Lavanya, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. My name is Lamia Chaudhary. I study in nursery 3. Today I am representing a line.
We cannot see you, baby. Your camera is on.
Yes, ma'am. I study.
So I have spot. अरे नहीं. Ma'am, just a second. Just a second. No, Lavanya is. I cannot see Lavanya in the list.
Lavanya has joined again, ma'am. Maybe his logo.
There must be a.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a second.
So Lavanya, baby, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now Ritu, ma'am, you can put Lavanya in the spotlight.
Yeah.
Yes, Lavanya, we can see you. Yes, baby, you can start.
Hello, everyone. My name is Lamia Chaudhary. I study in nursery 3. Today I am representing going to a line on eating healthy food. Before that, I want to tell you one thing, that the food you eat can be the most powerful form of medicine on the fresh person. So eat right, be right, make a habit of healthy diet, exercise every day to make you fit and fine. Include milk and fruit in your diet so that you are active and right. The vegetables are right to eat. Lifestyle diseases we have to be dry, reduce sugar and salt and fat in your diet so that you are active and right. Be right, make a habit of healthy diet. Thank you.
Very good. We can.
Wow, Lavanya, that was super awesome.
And why healthy diet is important. Now we'll call the next participant will be Aradhya Gupta. So Aradhya, you can switch on your camera. And are you ready, Aradhya?
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, baby, you can start.
Good morning to all. My name is Radhya Gupta. I am here to present the poem Healthy Diet. Healthy food is very important in my day. My body needs nutrition to run and play. Proteins keep my hair shiny and my muscles strong. Carbohydrates give me energy all day long. Fruits and vegetables have all the vitamins I need. Fats are good for my skin, help my brain succeed. A healthy balanced diet have all the food groups in it. Combined with exercise, I will be healthy and fit. Thank you.
Very good.
Thank you, Aradhya. Such a healthy diet poem that you have narrated, huh? And you're looking very attractive in that props and the background. And I love your crown. It has got one horn and it's got one crown here. Love your
One is
headgear.
young and other is healthy.
Yeah. Thank you.
Very good, Aradhya. Well done. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
So now is the time to name the names of the winners of the competition. So congratulations to all the little babies and their parents. Thank you so much for your good efforts. So let's start. We'll congratulate all of you. So let's start with the first position. The first position from nursery A will go to Avya Mittal. Anaisha Dubey, Aradhya Gupta. From nursery B, we have Mishika Singhal, Advait Shaurya Tiwari, Amira Deman. From nursery C, we have Lavanya Chaudhary, Ruhan Baksh, Vasla Arya. From nursery D, we have Jianshi Gupta, Trisha Gatt, Nivisha Jain. From nursery E, we have Araf Gupta, Krisha Agarwal, and Shivai Panjwani.
Many congratulations.
Round of applause for all the babies. So the first position babies can switch on their camera and we'll have a photograph with principal sir and ma'am. बाकी बेबीज अपना कैमरा ऑफ करेंगे. मैम ने जिनका नाम बुलाया है वो सिर्फ अभी कैमरा ऑन करेंगे एंड हैव अ फोटोग्राफ विद सर.
Yeah, smile. Just
Sir's camera, can sir is visible because I can't see sir on my screen.
even I can't.
Sir, maybe please request you to switch on your camera. Yes, sir is there.
I can see everybody on my screen.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू सो मच सर.
जब इतने अच्छे आपके कलाकार हैं तो उस वक्त फिर आप मुझे देखकर क्या करते
सर ये कलाकार आप ही का इंतजार कर रहे हैं.
born talented, I must tell you. And or more than the talent, the message which they are giving, the conviction with which they are giving the message. आप देखिए कितनी प्रॉप और कितनी प्रिपरेशन के साथ जो है तैयार होकर के आए हैं बच्चे. अब इनसे तो मुझे पूछना पड़ेगा कि आप अपना डाइट चार्ट मुझे भेज दो डेली का. So that not only for me but for all of us, that
Yes,
will
sir.
be an inspiration and we are going to learn from them.
बिल्कुल सर.
I think every child has presented in our classes when it was happening.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So the whole idea is that yes, since the parents are also there, children are also there, I want that it is for our own living, a healthy living, better living. It's not that it's being taught as a lesson or it is for the assessment or for any other purpose, but it's the life skill. It's the value for life. And when we talk about somebody, we look at two things very prominently. Number one, you should be happy. And number two, you should be healthy. And when it comes to health, the output will always depend. I am using the science language and the terminology which everybody will understand. Output will always depend on the input. So what is our intake? What are we eating? How are we eating? What are our timings? What are our portions? What is whether it is taking care of all the requirements? And this varies from age to age. So today, if I look at children who have to grow, what is their requirement? Their skeletal growth has to happen. They have to develop mentally as well, because at this particular age, the brain development is also happening. So I'm sure that all our parents and our teachers, they will be able to research on their requirement and share the findings. At the same time, from child's perspective, we have to keep it in mind that it has to look, the food also has to look lucrative. It has to look interesting, and it should take care of all their requirements. So this is an area where I have been hearing and I have been getting the inputs from the teachers that even a lot of parents, especially the mothers, they have been so innovative that they have been talking about wonderful recipes and they have been sharing. Some have even shared with teachers that this is what I do, and among their peer group, this is a common topic of talk, that how can we make food more interesting for our children without compromising with the value and nutrition. So now I think we have to bring children also into discussion, because yes, they are exposed to so many things, but what is desirable, by simply telling a child that you don't have to eat chips or chocolate or you don't have to consume cold drink, is not going to make them understand. Rather, within their own understanding, we have to create a pathway that they gradually develop this as a habit. And this was one of the initiative in that direction. Of course, it does take care of multiple things, multiple things in terms of giving them the presence of mind, giving them looking after their diction and presentation, vocabulary and research. At the same time, the bigger sense which is involved here is the value addition, and that is the value addition for the life. So this is something amazing, and I'm really very impressed. I think I got to see the glimpse only by Lavanya and Aradhya, but you might have seen every child performing, and the kind of work they have done. It really needs to be complimented, and the parents need to be congratulated. Teachers need to be congratulated for conceiving the thought and hand holding and giving the idea. And of course, above all my wonderful children, the way they have performed, the way they have acted, it's really amazing. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
I think
Thank
we
you.
are ready for something more now, some more
Yes, sir.
actions to follow.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's right.
Some
All
more
right, so I'm
announcements
eagerly
to
waiting
make.
for more action now.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Now I'm going to announce the now I'm going to announce the name of the second position holders. From nursery A, we have Advika Gupta, Ranveer Sharma, Riya Singh. From B section, we have Nitya Verma, Ryansh Agarwal, Akshaj Gupta. From C, we have Anaya Gupta, Shaurya Singla, Ivan Bisht. From nursery D, we have Namish Yadav, Ivan Gupta, Amira Chugh. From nursery E, we have Prisha Goel, Mokshika Gupta, and Pariniti.
Congratulations. Well done.
The little babies, we have a photograph with sir and ma'am.
Okay, smile. All of you sit straight.
Ritu ma'am, are you done? Yeah.
Yes, just a second. I'm sharing the screen again.
Okay. Now, time to announce. The third position will from nursery A, it will go to Arush Agarwal, Afia Malik, Pranjal Jain. From nursery B, we have Sia Saxena, Kashyap Bajaj, Rubani Kaur. From C, we have Ojaswa, Raghav, Kritansh Rajoria. From D section, we have Anaya, Amara Jain, Sarfraz. And from nursery E, we have Ashvi Jain, Ravik Gupta, and Pankaj.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, everyone. So you can have the camera. You have a photograph with sir and ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, let me take the photograph first. Okay, smile, sit straight. Yuvan. Yes.
Done, Ritu ma'am?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Arav didn't got his photo clicked. I think he was in washroom.
Okay, call Ara. We can have a photograph.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Ara, are you here, baby?
Yeah.
Okay.
Arav, smile.
Ritu ma'am, you can click
Yes.
photograph.
Yes. Clicking. Yes. ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, sir is here.
Sir has already shared his thoughts. Sir, still you would like to say something in the end? We would really have shared so many thoughts and inspiring words with all of us. Anything more, sir? But I would say, sir, yesterday in their classes when the competition was there, I would like to share that all the children who you could see only in glimpses, when they were in their full dressed up attire, I was actually amazed to see the confidence level, the way they have prepared, as you had said in your you've just shared also, the way they have been prepared by the parents, the efforts that has gone, the teachers' thought process in planning this theme, particular theme for these little ones and giving that awareness to them was something very commendable, something which really needs a huge round of applause for everyone. So thank you, dear parents. It really indeed was, sir, a pleasure to see them, and especially at a nursery level when the kids are too young and they are speaking and talking of healthy and junk food and a balanced diet. Sir, आप सही बोल रहे हैं, इनसे balanced diet का chart मंगवाना पड़ेगा हमारे लिए. Thank you.
Let me also share with you, Pooja, the flip side of the story. We have to talk to parents also. Ki, what is the other? Yes, we have to create a balance. And as I said, that they are in the growing age.
Yes, sir.
So don't let that sense of guilt come into them. Otherwise, they'll become too conscious and they will start controlling everything what they eat. That will affect their growth also.
Yes, sir.
So we have to create a diet plan for them, which is interesting because at this moment to draw their attention, to make them eat and to make them look forward to their meals is what is the responsibility of
Whose
them.
responsibility?
So
Very
that
true.
should be done, and then obviously the value addition gradually make it a part of their habit. So they realize that yes, these are certain things which should not be a part of our eating ever,
Yes,
and
sir.
definitely they will not worry about it.
Very much.
So this is
Rightly
what we
said,
have.
sir.
We don't have to find shortcuts in that. That is a simple one-liner here.
Yes, sir. Very true. Rightly said, sir. Rightly said. Thank you so much, sir. It was a pleasure having you here. Thank
My
you for
pleasure.
being with us. It was
Thank
really.
you, sir.
I want to thank each one of you for adding so much of joy to my day, and thank you once again. Congratulations and compliments to everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can Nivisha
Can
recite?
you?
She wants to recite a poem.
Who, ma'am?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can Nivisha recite a poem? She wants to recite a
Yes,
poem.
yes, absolutely.
Okay,
You can. We
okay,
can
yes,
hear
yes.
Nivisha.
Yes, baby. You
Yes,
can.
Nivisha.
Yes.
Let ma'am put you into spotlight, and we'll hear your poem. Okay?
How do you stay healthy?
Just a minute, ma'am.
Just a minute.
The
एक मिनट wait करो
spotlight.
बेटा. 1 minute.
Just a minute, baby.
How do you stay healthy?
Okay, baby. Now you can recite. Okay. start.
How do you stay healthy? Eat right, sleep right, continue to sleep right. Gas to go. You need food, running go. How I food to eat. It's from best for you. Food alone not enough. Exercise it up. You need to work out. It is too hard exercise to do. Food exercise not enough. Rest also keeps you healthy and tough. Honey, I see sleep at night. Get in my see life. How do you stay healthy? Eat right, sleep right, continue to sleep right. Right. Thank you.
Very good, Nivisha. You're absolutely right. Eat right and sleep right, huh? Absolutely correctly. You have said that to everyone. We will follow what you said. मैम वही करेंगे जो निविशा ने मैम को सिखाया है.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, baby. God bless you, and thank you so much, dear parents. I really want to thank you. You have been. I mean, this is, I think, Kakli ma'am, the last competition of this session.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
But I must compliment all the parents here and the ones who are not even here, that the way they have in every competition participated. I am amazed to see the numbers. The moment Kakli ma'am shares with me that this is the number of participation, my heart goes in full pride and it gets bloated up. I'm really happy to see that you all have been very enthusiastic parents, active parents, and the way you have created and walked with us in this journey to make the child aware of everything that we wanted to do with them. So thank you so much. I think the journey will still go on. It's not the end of the road yet. We still have a long journey to go ahead. But I'm just sharing that in nursery, I have seen such an enthusiastic participation. Kudos to your efforts. Hats off to what all you have done. Kudos to the teachers, especially who have planned such beautiful themes for you. I think everyone deserves a huge round of applause and compliment. हम तो यहाँ से बैठ के आपका सिर्फ जजमेंट देखते हैं, हम सिर्फ जज करते हैं, हमारे लिए कितना मुश्किल हो जाता है बच्चों को छांटना, वो हमें पता है. And our heart goes out for each child. Every child is a winner here. Every child. And I must say that this all has been only because of your efforts. If you would not have been supporting us, I think this would not have been possible for us to make these competitions a success. You and especially these little starlings, ये हैं हमारे main heroes. ये हैं हमारे main angels and heroes who have actually made these competitions a success. So thank you babies. आपके बिना तो कुछ possible ही नहीं था. ना मम्मा पापा कुछ कर पाती है, ना मैम कुछ कर पाती. आप हो तो हम हैं, है ना? तो आपके लिए